Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordy Clark. I'm a real estate investor and broker, and I am making this channel to help you get to financial freedom through real estate investing. I wanted to give you guys an update on the hoarder house I bought. We are getting close to being able to list this house. I've owned it for less than a month. This is what it looked like before. Okay, and now we've had the whole place trashed out. We had it de-junked. We had it cleaned up, and then we got a painter in here. They painted everything. We've fixed a lot of things. We have run into quite a few issues here. So first off, we had a sewer line problem. We had to have someone go out and dig up the sewer line. There was a 90-degree bend that we had to correct, and then they had to retrench over it and install a sewer clean out. Cost us way more than we anticipated. We did know that there was potentially an issue because when I bought the place, this shower had backed up. So there was sewage that came out of this shower at one point in time. So we had that taken care of. We had a sewer scope guy come out. He scoped it, couldn't get through it. And so we had to have someone come out and dig up the sewer line. So that was a lesson learned. Overall though, I think the transformation is coming along here. There's still quite a few things that need to be done, including getting the property staged. We're gonna have our favorite stagers come out and just make this look absolutely beautiful. So, still got a lot to do. We've got baseboards to install here. Laminate looks awesome though. There were a few different transitions, but overall, this laminate is a pretty good value. It's not the highest end laminate. It's a good middle of the road laminate though. This carpet, great carpet, it looks good, goes with any color. And then we just obviously did one white, one tone paint. A, because it's super affordable, B, because it's really trendy right now. So overall, I am super thrilled with how this flip is coming along. It's kind of a tight flip. We bought it for $238,500. I figured, hey, we're gonna be into it for about 7,500 bucks. And we'll be able to sell it for about $299 when all is said and done. We're a little over budget on renovation. We're currently sitting right around 10,000 bucks. This was kind of just a quick flip. We did not fully renovate the kitchen or the bathrooms, just due to trying to keep this an affordable house for someone. So not all flips have to be just, swinging for the fences. You do your best job ever with brand new cabinets, quartz countertops, and the works. This is gonna turn out to be a great house for someone. We're fixing all the issues. There was a roof leak that we're getting fixed. So overall, I'm super happy with how this one's turning out. If you guys liked seeing this, please comment below, let me know. I love flipping houses. We love investing in real estate in general. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and get the notification bell. We would love to have you along for the journey and help you build wealth through real estate.